Okay, let's a little bit recap how our mathematics or a number learning sequence has been with the child. We start with that 1 to 10 child must learn by songs and rhymes, so that they know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 without understanding the meanings of it, but they know it. Then we start with 1, and 1 is against many. It's 1, it's many, it's 1, it's many. And then we start 2 through 5, through how 2, 3, 4, and 5 represent themselves in the real world around them. 2 eyes and 2 bicycle, and then we start with the three petals of the fan or 3 wings of the fan, and then 4 tires of the car, 5. And then we start splitting the stories, making 5 is 1 and 4 is 5, and 2 and 3 is 5. So with the same 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they start making story. Oh, 2 and 3 is 5, 3 and 2 is 5, 1 and 4 is 5. So these stories actually make splitting numbers into these stories, but they will not write it obviously, but they will speak it. They will speak it. But these stories will inculcate a sense of that the numbers are made up of other numbers, right? This is number bond, and we will do things like this so that they can make 3 in different physical orientations, so that the concept goes that the physical orientation does not matter. We can count it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next milestone is going up to 9. So we go from 2 to 9, and then we introduce the concept of 0 by, as we told, we take out things. How many left? 2. How many left? 1. And how many left? Nothing. And the concept of 0 goes. And then we come to the concept of things can be counted in groups. So 10 comes, and 10 is our milestone. So we are now at 10, right? The next milestone is going up to 20, right? And the next milestone after 20, then it's fast forward, and we go up to 100. When we go from 10 to 20, we do the same things, splitting and adding, splitting and adding. And here we did a concept when we reached 10, friends of 10. Friends of 10 is 9 plus 1 is 10, 2 plus 7 is 3 plus 7 is 10, 4 plus 6 is 10, 5 plus 5 is 10, using, let's say, this sort of beads, so that when these numbers come, so they can easily make friends among them. And in that sense, it's actually a story of 10, but the friends of 10 is the same as the story of 10. 4 and 6 is 10, 5 and 4 is 10. They can find friends among the numbers given. So that's how it goes. Up to 20, when they have crossed 10, then we can start seeing things by splitting them. It is 12, so that the concept really goes into that it's not 1, 2, it is 10 and 2, right? If it is 1, 6, it is 10 and 6. So these number bonds keep them always aware of that 1, 6 is not 1, 6. 1, 6 is 10 and 6. So the place value concept has to be carried along for quite a while, till the time it's really embeds. And that was it up till this. We have done these steps, and now we will move a little farther. And further is now easy, because the construction and the pattern how numbers are formed, child have understood.